everyone laphayana is very very good in a squad se-Bafana Bafana, and futhi wonke umuntu ukhethiwe. I believe ukuthi chances are a lot of them are gonna get game time at some point. Now you have to remember this. If we say, for example, I want to take Sipho Mbuli, for example, let me just say I want to take Sipho Mbuli, play Sipho Mbuli ku number 10 position. If I have to take Sipho Mbuli and play him in the number 10 position, it means one player has to be left behind. And that player, number 10, it's number 1, Relebohile Mofokeng. Number 2, it's going to be Ushigabala Umshishi. Now, there's no way you're going to imagine a squad se-Bafana Bafana without Ushigabala, without Relebohile Mofokeng. And you have to remember, Fututi, when you go to a World Cup, you take the players who are going to give you the best in any position you put them. So you taking Mofokeng out, you know very well Mofokeng will give you proper results. He will give you proper performance. Ushigabala, when he gets there, the maturity, everything, he will give you something. Also, now my begi uhlale phansi ubone ukuthi no yazini le span. Those players are by 60 abashiwe bafed now. Brendan Peterson, I was shocked with Brendan Peterson, but it's just a matter of saying too much quality, too much depth. Thabiso Munyane is very very good, but I'd be shocked with it. You know, there's no way we're gonna leave behind Sailor Man. There's no way we're gonna leave behind Umatuludi in favor of Munyane. Maboye, it's another thing. Maboye is very good, but the problem is, are we going to leave Ulo on number 8 with Jaden Adams? Are we gonna leave Abolo? I was told, because I've been watching Ustoli. Because last time we were very critical of Ustoli and not in a good way. So I've been watching Ustoli. Okay, Adams, very obviously be watching Adams. I watch Adams like week in, week out. Plays very well. Pochenpool, I've been worried with Pochenpool Utao. Pochenpool magathatwa kanjena ku CDM. Kushuthi is sometimes gonna be helping out Umrembula. No, I don't think so. So laphana ku CDM is gonna be Umrembula noSiphephelo laphayana. Yeah, so they'll be playing very well. No, Siphepelo plays very well, guys. When the guy plays very well. Tito, I'm not entirely surprised. Okay, sharp. Okay, I think Sipho Mbuli and I left out, not surprised. And then Thapelo Morena. Okay, this one is one I wasn't expecting. But at the end of the day, remember, if you take out someone, it means that someone must have someone to replace. For example, if ngifuna uMorena aphume as a